Hello and welcome to Lusker Mitsubishi's walk round video Eclipse Cross 3 that we have for sale. This is a rare one, this one, because it's automatic as well as being four-wheel drive. So you can have it in two-wheel drive, normal running, and obviously with Mitsubishi Super Select four-wheel drive. Press of a button, you can turn it into a four-wheel drive vehicle. You don't have to stop or do anything, it's just literally, as I've just said, press a button. It's all keyless entry, push button start. You've got front and back parking sensors as well as a rear camera in this one. It's in a beautiful colour which is called sterling silver. As with all Mitsubishis, 5-year warranty from date of registration. So basically this one, 2019, you've got a manufacturer's warranty to 2024. I think you'll agree it is a good looking car. One of the best SUVs out there, crossovers as you call them. I'll take you inside so you can see all the equipment, because typical Japanese, it's loaded. You get your 4 electric window switches there, obviously. Electric mirrors, heated mirrors, also retractable mirrors, so the power folded on these. Sit inside. This one's done 10,700 miles. We've purchased this from Mitsubishi Direct, so it's been some form of management vehicle down at Mitsubishi. So obviously it's full service history. Push button start, as you can see there. You've got a heads up display there that pops up out of the dash. So basically that'll project your speed and everything down that like a tunnel. It's basically so your eyes don't have to refocus on the clocks. So it's a really good safety feature. You've got the multifunctional display there. Once you've paired your phone, that'll run Google Maps through there. So it is a live system, so it's one of the better systems. We call it an SDA, which is a smart display audio system. It also, when I bob it in reverse, it does a rear camera as well. Dual side climate control on this one, so you can have 2 different temperatures. Heated seats at the front. We've also got a multi-function steering wheel, which, like I said, once you've paired your phone, you can operate that totally from the steering wheel. So answer text messages, send text messages, you can even make a phone call, and it's all voice activated. The satellite navigation is run through that system, so as long as you've got the postcode or the name of where you're going, it is just literally press that button, tell it to where you want to go, and it'll just download the route and it'll come straight up on there for you. As I was saying to you there, you've got the four-wheel drive button there. As I press that, as you can see at the top there, it's changing all the settings: snow, gravel, auto. So we always leave them in auto, so then when you lose traction on the front wheels, it will transfer power to all 4 wheels. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and if you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, by all means just give us a shout. Thanks for watching.